Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to delete multiple empty rows in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and in this data you can see there are some empty rows is showing. So first way, simply select the row and press the control key, hold the control key, then select the second row, then select the third row, and then press control plus minus key. And here the delete dialog box is open. Then select here the shift cell up. So when this row deleted, the below row will shift up. When I click on OK, you can see here the below row will shift up. Okay. And the second way, simply select the full data. So here I select the full data, just drag with the mouse and I select here the full data. You can use here the control A for selection the full data, but due to the empty row, the control A is not select the full data. I show you. When I select the one cell and press the control A, you can see only this area data is selected because here the empty row is available. Okay. So you can easily drag with the mouse and select your entire data. Okay. And the second way, third way, I show you. You can select the first cell, first cell, then press the shift control and select the right arrow, down arrow, again down arrow, and drag below down arrow. And see the full data here selected. Okay. And then press the Control G, and here the Go To dialog box is open. Then click on the Spatials option. Then click on the blanks and click on OK. And here you can see the all bang row is. Okay. Then press the Control minus and same as dialog box is open. Then I press here, select here the shift cell up and click on OK. That's it. You can see in this data, all empty row is deleted. So this is a way you can delete the multiple empty rows in Excel easily. So hope you understood. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.